there are two types of people in the world. One set of people think always need to reduce the weight, and another set of people think always need to gain the weight. But whatever may be, let's jump into that to take action now. It is never too late to begin anything in life. Before that, we have second segment is table topic. I would like to call a person who is a great social awareness person. I hope everyone know that. The second one is, I asked him about the theme. He said, it is better to be late than never. I would like to invite Toastmaster Varatharajan sir on the stage to conduct this segment.
Thank you for your kind introduction. Two persons were engaged in a conversation. One person said, if I give a topic to my wife, she will talk for 1 hour. Another person said, this is nothing. No need to give a topic to my wife. She will talk for 4 hours. So, this is table topic session. I am going to give you a topic, and I am not going to ask you to talk for even 5 minutes. I am going to ask you to talk for 1 to 2 minutes, that's all. So, I want everyone to come forward and participate in this table topic session and make it a wonderful session. Are you ready?
Yes.
Now, the topic what I have selected, what I have chosen is related to or pertaining to the latest, very important, which made impact in the public, on the public. In those type of stories, from those type of stories, I have taken an iconic word or one phrase, which will be given to you as a topic, and those who are called, they have to decipher that word or a phrase, and they can go into the details of that story and they can give the speech. That is the topic I am going to give today. Another thing is, suppose if I call someone and if that person cannot decipher that particular word or particular phrase, it is ideal if someone knows what is there inside, then only it will be enjoyable to listen that speech. So that particular person can opt it out. So I can ask for somebody from the audience who can volunteer and take this. So that is the rule I am giving you. So to start with, what is the USP of table topic session? What is the USP of table topic session? Can anyone tell me? The table topic session is open to all. Anyone can come and participate in the table topic session. And also, no preparation is required. So anybody is welcome. Anybody can come and participate. So I will start with my topics. The first person I am calling is Achintya. Your topic is Startup India. Your topic is Startup India. This has come into the news recently and made an impact in the media. Can you make it out now?
Yes. Good evening, Mendes, and yes, I think our Prime Minister Mr. Modi has taken an initiative of Startup India, and I'm guessing we're trying to manufacture goods under the name of brand in India or made in India. And
In order to get the important information of this topic what I have given, I am going to the prepared one, not very long ones. Startup India, for job seekers to job creators. Startup India is a revolutionary scheme that has been started to help the people who wish to start their own business. To those people who have ideas and capacity, government will give them support to make sure they can implement their ideas, and grow. Success of this scheme will eventually make India a better economy and a strong nation. This is a small write-up about Startup India. The next speaker will be Mr. Sundaraman. Your topic will be Shaktiman.
When I was giving my detailed speech, I think some of you remember, this was the theme used in the poster, Shaktiman. So people think that some people have superpower, and with that power, they can do miracles. You can start from Superman, Spider-Man, Batman, Shaktiman, our own Indian version. And children are fascinated towards these kind of characters. But unfortunately, people don't realize those kind of characters, they only exist in virtual world. In reality, no Shaktiman can exist, no Superman can exist. People can become a Superman one day when they put hard work. And people also say that practice makes perfectness. Whether you want to be a great speaker, whether you want to be a great leader, or whether you want to be a great politician, practice makes perfect. And also some people say that practice makes perfect. It is a myth. Surprised? Yes. Only perfect practice makes anything perfect. So if you want to be a great soul, you have to start practicing it. Put your heart and soul into whatever thing you want to do, and you have to do perfect practice. Otherwise, Shaktiman, Superman, Batman, Spider-Man, all are virtual characters.
Let us see the difference between the prepared version and the on-the-spot version. Shaktiman, the white police was injured during the BJP protest in Yarada. That guy is personally and grabbed the nation's attention ever since photos of its broken, bleeding legs swamped newspapers and the internet in India. The horse which took the deadly fall on March 14 died on 20th April when it was administered anesthesia for a minor surgery. The horse never woke up. My next speaker will be Gus Vishal. Gus Vishal. Your topic will be, are you very much aware of all the news going on around? Very good. India is one-eyed king in the land of blind. India is the one-eyed king in the land of blind. One-eyed. The decipher you can answer. Thank you. Now I am coming to the audience. Anyone who can decipher this topic, please.
Good afternoon, friends. This kind of interesting phrase about one-eyed king caused quite a stir just last month. Because while we are privileged to have somebody at the caliber of Raghuram Rajan as our RBI governor, while describing the Indian economy, the policies that we follow, he used this phrase that about the one-eyed king. And unfortunately, it shows the low level of stature of our leaders, that they took it literally. And they talked about, are they completely blind or just one-eyed? And does a king mean hierarchical, dynastic kind of politics? there's a lot of commotion amongst the MPs and the ministers about how what was supposed to be a very innocuous phrase used by Raghuram Rajan to illustrate a point, that it was taken very literally and people kind of opposed it very dramatically. This went to a point where Raghuram Rajan had to spend many minutes explaining it in his own, press speeches, that he did not meant to hurt anybody, and all he was citing was that compared to other even worse performing economies and policies, we were slightly better. In fact, he was making a complimentary statement, and we could not realize that. Really unfortunate.
The prepared version is, with India being often described as the bright spot in the global economy, Reserve Bank Governor Raghuram Rajan sees this as a case of the one-minded man being the king in the land of the blind. Amid gloomy global economic conditions, Indian economy has been described by many as one of the bright spots, including by IMF, RBI, and Rajan has been credited with necessary steps to minimize the impact of external shock. Okay, the next speaker will be Mr. Venkatesan. Venkatesan is ever ready for any topic, and your topic will be Shakespeare.
Yeah, it's never too late. I'm very weak in communication and writing skills. I forgot about Shakespeare. I studied in +2, paper 2 in English. I got 60% in English. I'm very weak in English. My communication problem and writing skills. I would like to honor my friend. President. 3 years. No, this is a joke.
Beloved Sunil.
No, beloved Sunil. Petrodollar person.
Beloved Sunil.
3 years back, one Friday evening, he called me and he said that, Venkat, I have some idea to develop your skills. Please come and meet me near Kotrubbalam.
Meet you.
That library is there, Anna Library. And he called me. I said, okay, Sunil, no problem. I want to develop my skills and communication skills and other things. Because he is my boss. You know that I want to tell you that he was talking about Toastmasters and he is entirely, totally different person in the office. Whenever I used to write a mail, he referred to the caption matter. He will say that, thank you for your mail. Purposely, he will change my email, each and everything. And he told me that your language skills are not up to the mark. But last week, one of my case was selected in BIPO as a sample case. I showed him. And he said that you develop even in communication skills, especially in TT and other things also. I would like to say that I think today is the last day I'll come for a meeting. Next month I have planned, I'm submitting one paper in IIT to conduct the PhD, to complete the thing in Linux, to find out the fake websites. That's why I thought I can honor my friend, my dear friend Sunil.
William Shakespeare is one of the greatest playwrights of all time. His works are still real and released in world over. All the world was in this man's stage. 400th death anniversary and 452nd birth anniversary we have celebrated recently on this month, 26th of April. Our next speaker will be Ravi Bhima. Your topic will be GPS.
Toastmasters, it's never too late. Nowadays, everyone is using GPS in all the industries, and without GPS, we can't live. As when Tushar has said initially, like there is no for everyone as for communicating to everyone. Nowadays we are using GPRS for communicating, so it is very useful for nowadays, and we have a lot of speed with very the high speed and the high network. So I would like to thank this. I never used to see the news, but once I came here, I am saying more or 50-81.
Third question is, I'd like to share some information. After US, EU, Russia and China, India gets their own GPS. The global positioning system is a network of about 30 satellites orbiting the Earth at an altitude of 20,000 kilometers. India has 6 satellites orbiting the Earth till now. The launch of the 7th satellite, the last in a constellation of satellites that make the indigenous GPS system for India. The next speaker will be Janani. Okay, Vinod Kumar. Here topic will be Nota.
So, this is election time.
Yes.
And we have election coming up next week.
Yes.
1 hour.
What is Nota? Does anyone here know what is Nota? Yes.
None of the above. The educated people are not planning to give none of the above as the answer for the elections, because many people,
Even I couldn't have said it better. So, why do we have this Nota? What is the point in voting, putting your vote on Nota, when you can vote for someone and make a difference? This election, I request you all to not to go for Nota. Do not select, what is that? No you are. And go with the candidate you feel will make a difference in this election. Give it a thought. Give it time. Give it at least 1 minute so that you can show the green card. Give it some time, give it a thought, and vote for a candidate who will make a difference in this world. Thank you.
My question is, Nota is none of the above. Option is available for voters to reject all candidates in the fray in a particular constituency. Nota option introduced by the Supreme Court being available on the ballot box. The next speaker will be Aishwarya. Your topic will be JEE. JEE. NGET.
Talk about alphabets, any of that. IDON.
JEEN. No, that is different.
NIFT.
I have got 2 copies.
Okay, these topics sounds alien to me because I'm taken back to an incident happened in my school time when I was giving my practical exams for 10th board. Physics, I think. All my friends were done with their experiments and I was the last one to be in the lab, and your teachers are supposed to be with you, I think, for internals. The examiner knew that I was struggling and I may not pass, so he informed my teacher, and my physics teacher walked in and she gave me a few tips and she helped me with completing the experiment. And that's when I decided, okay, I'm done with science. I'm done with lab. So I took the third group. So when you gave me this topic, I couldn't relate to it because I decided that it doesn't mean mathematics. So thank you.
Any volunteers who can decipher this NEET and give a speech?
Sunil.
NEET.
Yeah, Supreme Court.
Just I would like to share that information. NEET, Supreme Court on 28th April ruled that admission to MBBS and BDS courses in the current session would be done through the National Eligibility Entrance Test. That is NEET. And I will give one topic and anyone from the audience can come up and give a speech. Okay? Income tax. Anyone in the audience can come and speak. This is a last chance. The last speech. Going to be the last speech.
Arjun.
Otherwise, right.
You want to come?
Yeah.
Greetings, Toastmasters and guests. This income tax is a part of taxation in every economy in the world. Income tax is being split into various slabs according to the income that an individual gains, and this slab has been decided unanimously in all the countries. They split it up based on the income that you get. However, in India, we have a lot of people who are evading income tax. Income tax happens to be the lowest taxation amongst the GDP of the country.